Peter already came out.
Doorbell. Are you gonna come see who's at the door?
Don't open it, Mom.
Oh, go ahead. Perfect.
Okay. Open the door.
I think it's my costume.
Are you sure? Pick it up. Come on, help CJ. Come in, bring it in. Help CJ. Can we get in? Close the door. Good job.
Your body's in a box. Don't
Oh,
open
that
the
did not
box.
work at all. Go ahead.
No, come see, Mom. Oh, here, look, here's the starting point. Come on.
My costume.
Oh my gosh, let's see. Oh. Wow.
Did you get my dress right?
I don't know. I think they might have got it right. It's kind of big. Wow.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Wow, that came so fast. Right, PJ? It didn't take long at all. What else is in there? No. What else is in the box? That is Baby Autumn's costume.
Baby Adam. Your costume.
Yay!
Here, Autumn. Hold it like that.
What is that?
So, Mommy. Oh, she's trying to wear it, Jen. Let's just say hair.
I believe that's Baby Autumn. She's got a wig too. Oh, that's a lot smaller than it looks. Is that it?
Didn't you have a...
Are you sure that's it, Peach? Are you sure?
I just want a piece of paper in this box. I would never get a piece of paper in a box.
What else is in there? I still see something.
Pete, and I don't know how to turn it off. Maybe, I don't understand it now. Did you push the button that, did you try pushing the button that you already pushed? Yeah.